We are in northern Kenya right now, and the saying water is life is so true, really in everywhere in the world, but especially in northern Kenya, South Sudan, where drought has just been devastating the communities. And what you see behind me is the World Mission water rig, and we're drilling water right now. So we should be hitting water at about 100 feet, and around here is very desolate area. But we just planted a new church. We used the treasure, and now as we brought the living water, now we're bringing clean water, and these beautiful people of the Pokot tribe will have access to clean water. Right now they're walking, in some cases, 5 miles one way just to get water that's filled with bacteria. But now with this new borehole, families by the hundreds will have access to clean water.